Hey everybody, it's Nate here at Artec. We're here to talk about the lower control arm brackets on the new Jeep JL. One of the great things about the new Jeep JL is that they reduced weight in order to get you a better gas mileage. Unfortunately, they made some of the components thinner and not as heavy duty. You also have thinner lower control arm brackets. These brackets that hang down below the axle are one of the first things that you can hit while going over an obstacle. And that's no bueno, because if you hit that bracket and break it, it's no bueno. No bueno. No bueno. So to help strengthen those rear lower control arm brackets, we offer multiple solutions for anybody's skill level. The first one we have is a lower control arm skid that you just weld right on the bottom of the factory bracket. Very heavy duty, this is a 1/4 inch. The benefits to this is that it's simple, it's sturdy. One of the drawbacks is that you have to weld it. So it takes a little more skill to install it. The next option that we have is a bolt-on lower control arm skid. Now this is made out of 3/16. It comes powder coated already and is really easy to just bolt right on. Caps the entire thing, makes it very strong. For those of you who are interested in completely replacing that bracket, we have this complete lower control arm bracket replacement. It's super heavy duty, over twice as thick as the factory bracket. It also has a skid plate built right onto the bottom as well too to box the entire thing in. This is a really heavy duty solution, complete replacement bracket, so that would mean taking off the factory bracket, putting this on, and this is a weld on product, so it does require some more skill, but it is the absolute best solution. So whether you're overlanding or extreme hardcore rock crawling, we have multiple solutions to help reinforce that lower control arm bracket on your new Jeep JL. Hey guys, thanks for joining us. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, hit it right there. Yeah, you can feel it. Yeah.